The micro holes with a diameter of 0.08 millimeters, as fine as a strand of hair. We achieved this through machining with a drill bit that has a diameter of 0.08 millimeters and an effective length of 0.8 millimeters. A single drill bit consecutively processed 800 holes. And a total of 80 drill bits worked continuously for over 210 hours, completing more than 60,000 holes without any tool breakage. This precision work was carried out on the JDH T400T 3-axis high-speed machining center, using stainless steel material for the mold components of cosmetic microneedles. The surface of these components features a total of 20 grooves, each requiring the drilling of 3003 microholes with a diameter of 0.08 mm and a depth of 0.4 mm. With small hole dimensions in a large quantity, the JDH T400T machine enables high-speed, low-vibration drilling, ensuring stability during extended precision microhole machining. The processing time for a single hole is only 12.6 seconds. And the diameter tolerance of the holes after machining is within 5 micrometers. The center-to-center distance error is within plus or minus 5 micrometers. And the hole's non-pass rate is less than 2 parts per 10,000. The JDH T3-axis high-speed machining center demonstrates stability, efficiency, and precision in achieving the capability to cut micro holes in materials. Can you feel it?